You guys are doing an excellent job. Let's review what we've learned so far about computers and how they work by doing a fun little exercise and building our own computer. As you can see on my whiteboard, I've listed several different components of a computer system, and basically, what I want you guys to do is based on what we've learned, I would like you to identify which of these components are internal components as well as external components of a computer system. Basically, I want to see if you have a good understanding of what each of these are and how they integrate together to form a full computer. Take a moment to look at the blank diagram provided under the resources section of this video lesson. You can use this diagram to label each of the components based on your knowledge of a computer system that we've learned so far in this course. Once you've completed labeling this diagram, we're going to move on to the next slide where we label and identify what each of these components are. Welcome back. I hope you had a fun time labeling each of the components of a computer system listed on my whiteboard. Let's go ahead and discuss what each of these are and label them. Here, the first image or icon is that of a random access memory chip. As you can see here, there are two random access memory cards or computer chips side by side. And this is an internal component of a computer because it's hardware that's installed inside of a computer. Here is a printer, which all of you may know. A printer is an external device that connects to a computer over a certain connection or wire, or even wireless, to print documents. This is a monitor, which is also an external device, a speaker, which is also another external device, a webcam, and a mouse. Everything blue here is basically external devices. As for the internal devices, here's the motherboard, as you can see here, the motherboard, fan, which is basically to cool down the computer when the RAM or processing unit is using up too much power and heating up the computer. So a fan, it provides a cooling system to allow the computer to cool down and maintain its temperature. Here is the CPU, or central processing unit. Here is the read-only memory, or ROM. And basically, this is just a glimpse of what a computer could look like. Here's a diagram of internal and external components within a computer system. As you can see here, all the internal hardware components, such as the RAM, motherboard, CPU, ROM, and computer fan or cooling system, are all internal to the computer, whereas a speaker, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, webcam, and several other devices, possibly, are external to the computer. Basically, what this means is that in order for us to build a computer, we need all of these internal components. And for us to be able to work with several other operations of a computer, such as audio using speakers, and a monitor for a graphical user interface, or basically seeing with the screen, and enter data with a keyboard and mouse is very important.